Well, good morning. It's what date is? I think it's Friday. Well, we're on our way to Kunta, Bangkok. So I just had my breakfast here at the Avatara Resort, which I spoke to you guys yesterday about. But yeah, we're on our way. So I'm just going to get ready now to get ready to go to Bangkok. We're going to motorbike back and we're going to get a song to pick up our suitcases to bring to the pier. So Av's not with me. I just came by myself, but just going to show you the beach behind me there. So that's the resort behind me. That's the chairs. Yeah, down there. So, yeah, very nice. But I've had a good time here. I had a really good time. It's good to have a holiday, have a break from everything. But yeah, no care factor about what's going on in the world right now, about the crises and what's going on. I haven't really watched the news at all. I mean, I've seen things on social media, but I'm not interested. Doesn't affect me. So yeah, I'll be back in Australia soon and get back to work and back to reality and start making my my tracks to eventually move over here to Thailand sooner rather than later. So things are in motion, but it takes time, and when I come here, fully prepared. So anyway, I'm gonna get ready, but I'll show you around a little bit more. So that's the bay down there. Guys get the chairs ready for the customers. So at the beach where you're swimming. Look at that, beautiful. Just amazing. And here's where we have our breakfast over there. That's our breakfast. And that's the bar there. And Jefferson Beach. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk around to show you around. So you can sit, this is the sitting areas here. Where people sit down there. That's the bar. This is where the breakfast is over there. The breakfast over there. So there's a bar there. So, and my box over here. This is reception area. Down there's a lovely place for smoothies. So I got your motorcycles down here. We got a Click 150. We got a PCX. That's the bike we hired. PCX, very nice bike. Actually pretty new actually, but already someone had dropped it. Some foreigner apparently dropped it. It's going to cost about $6,000 to repair that. It wasn't us. Yep. So you look up for cars here. But down there you go, Koh Samet Flow Beach Cafe down here. And one thing is, it is a busy road this one here. You always wait for cars to come past. Very narrow streets. A little scoopy. Nice body. And you got Avatara Resort there. So Avatara, and that's the sign there. And this is the reception area here. Reception area, and you go through here. This is very foresty, very rainforest-like. Little mosquitoes. Yeah, look out for these things. So you might encounter hornbill, cuckoo, dove, henbat, frog, toad. Frogs, centipedes, snakes, millipedes, scorpions, caterpillars, cockroaches, skinks, mice, squirrels, Veneris, salvator, tree lizard, snails, spiders, lizards, and gecko. So the things you might encounter while you're here. This is the walk up to the room. Bit of a walk. Bit of a walk, but it's alright. It is what it is. Exercise. Well, it's 8 o'clock. Oh, yeah, Italy. I also have Italy won this morning 2-0 against Northern Ireland. So 1 foot in the door to the World Cup. It's been considered in the 14 since we qualified last time. So excited to wake up this morning to know. Well, I watched it, but yeah, excited to know. So we're up against Bosnia. Oh, yeah, Bosnia. So that'll be interesting. So we go. It's always nice to be polite to people when you're walking. Say hello. You know, this is the Thai culture. Be respectful of them, and be respectful of you. I'll show you the walk. I'll tell you the walk up this ramp. Walk. So that's all the air cons. Up the steps. Yeah, I will miss this place. For value for money, it's been great. Very nice place. So you like Mars. You got all these rooms up there. You got rooms up there. Go right there. So you got rooms all around. It's got a real rainforest feel about it. A little river here. A little waterfall. Yeah, so we're in a sort of really lower floors down there. Let me get up to you. Nice little area here. Yeah, waterfall there. I've got some fish in there. Got some koi. And this is our room here. And there's F. All right. You know, there's some fish down there, koi. There's koi fish. Pla. Down there, over there. This is our room. I don't know if I showed you our room, but this is our room. This is our messy bed. I bought some cereal for F, some cornflakes. TV's on, chill out music. So yeah, nice little area. This is the bed area. F's just getting ready, so I won't show you. Yeah, little area here to sort of put your suitcases and stuff. As I said, for the price, it's very, very good for the price. This is on the way to the pier now, then getting the boat to Rayong, and then in the car to Bangkok. So Av's just bringing the motorcycle back to the place which we picked up from. So yeah, the hotel, the suitcases. It's been a great holiday. It's good to go. Good to get to Bangkok, and I love it there. And I'll be coming back here again. Probably stay for 2 weeks, a week. Who knows? Anyway, we'll catch you later. Bye. Well, we're getting off now. Our boat's over there, so you can see behind us. All the people behind us here, all going back to Rayong, and then there we are. And there's Af. There she is.
จะกลับแล้วค่ะไปกรุงเทพนะคะไม่กลับเชียงรายนะคะไปกรุงเทพค่ะพอดีใจมากเลยค่ะ He's so happy ค่ะพอ go back to กรุงเทพ He's so happy
Oh, okay. Just gonna get on a boat now. Boat's just down there, I think. So we're on our way. There's our boat down there.
เอามาเก่งมาก
That's our boat down there. Private speedboat back to Rayong. We'll catch you on the boat when we're on the. Have a lot smoother ride than last time.
กลับแล้วค่ะเรือออกแล้วค่ะวันนี้ลมไม่แรงเท่าวันมานะคะวันมาลมแรงกว่านี้วันนี้โอเคนั่งได้ไม่ต้องจับ
Probably hard to hear me, but yeah, on the way back. But yeah, so just leaving Koh Samet, and yeah, we'll be back here again soon. Alright. Bye bye. See you in Rayong. Right. And we're here, just like that. Already here. Some more boats there. So we're back in Rayong. No, we're back. That was the quickest ride ever, and so smooth. So, alright, we'll get off into the boat and we'll catch you on the. Yeah, we'll get in the car. That was an awesome. That was awesome. Got the. We got the kids bring the suitcases for us, and they don't want tips. They want drinks. Good service, fantastic service. I recommend these guys. If you want anything to do, like you want to know how to get to Koh Samet private boat, let us know and we'll get you one of these private boats for you. We can organise that for you. Okay, private boat and get a car, the whole lot for you. Alright. Just going to the market to get some pamuk, some food. I think for F's mum. So I'll just have a quick look at the market here. Very fishy smell. Yeah. So we've got fish here. That's where the cars go, the buses. Market here. Seafoods. Meow cup. What are you buying, F? Pamuk.
ใช่ปลาหมึก
Pamuk.
สควิสคริสปี้
อร่อยไหม
อร่อยเผ็ดนิดหน่อย
เผ็ดนิดหน่อย
ขีดนึงเยอะไหมแค่นี้ประมาณไหนจะให้ดู
Very fishy smells, but yeah, this is like their famous market here to buy like this sort of seafood stuff before you still go back to Bangkok. It's very cheap here compared to probably in Bangkok itself, but yeah, I mean, you can see the people.
โปรโมทให้ว่าถ้าใครจะไปก็คือแนะนำพี่โกก็คือแนะนำพี่โกก็คือ good driver good service แล้วก็
Can you get phone number or line? How can we contact?
เดี๋ยวเราจะโชว์ไลน์แล้วก็โฟนนัมเบอร์ของพี่เข้าไปในช่องเพื่อให้คนคอนแทคมาหรือว่าตามมาจาก follow มาจาก YouTube Channel คอยแนฟแล้วบอกพี่โกก็จะได้ลูกค้าเพิ่มขอบคุณครับผมขอพี่โก
So I'll give you the driver's details, and if you need a driver to come down here to drive anywhere in Thailand, he's very good and very reasonably priced in a lovely air-conditioned car. And he can organise a boat for you to go to Koh Samet and back again, private boat. He can do everything for you. So yeah, I'll give you his line details, okay? So it's very useful to know people like this, especially if it's the first time. Alright, but we're still at the market here, just Af's getting some stuff for her family and her friends. I don't know what she's buying, but she's buying a lot. So that's the address and we're going to go. You've got the food here.
คะพูดเก่งเลย
พี่อยู่แก้วนึงเมื่อเช้าใช่ปะ
ใช่ค่ะลูกค้ามาบ่อย
So you got shirts here and stuff there too. There you got little shirts. Things here to buy there too. And you got more of their shops there. Shops there. So you've got plenty stalls to come by, but this is probably this is the way we've chosen to come to. So it's just up here. It's the name of the place up there. So name's up there. So yeah, if you want to find this place, that's just up there. You can come here easy and done. Very easy to come here. All right. So yeah.
พี่ขอฝากหนูใส่คารุกรอบกับกระปุกมา
You buy something? Oh.
ซีฮูดมีฮูดเขาอยากได้สีดำแต่ว่ามัน
See
ไม่
the
มีไซส์เขา
have the hood.
เชอรี่นี่แพนเซตเนี่ยมีอันไหนสีดำ
Maybe sit down.
ขอบคุณนะคะอย่าลืมมาด้วยนะคะถ้าเรื่องโมซาจะให้เพื่อนมา
Okay, done. Okay, couple cup. Bye bye.
ซื้อมาให้แล้วลูก
Metal. That's okay.
T-shirt?
No room. No room.
no
No room.
ก็นี่ไงเซ็นทูโพสต์ออฟฟิศทูโฮม
Oh, it's in the post office there. Ah, it's in the post office.
yes
Hell, on the airport.
ไม่ tomorrow we have car
Oh, okay,
ก็
okay,
ดู
okay.
โพสต์ออฟฟิศ
It's okay. Okay, pa. Pa, let's go. ขอบคุณครับ
อันนี้กู้มาได้อยู่หรอจ้า
All right, we're gonna get on the bus. Back in the car. Catch you later. Bye bye.